learn phonics sounds? Let's begin. S says apple. B says ball. C says cat. D says dog. B says elephant. F says fish. G says goat. H says hat. I says iguana. J says jelly. K says cake. L says lion. M says monkey. N says goat. Nest. O says octopus. P says pig. Q says cup. Queen. R says rabbit. Says sow. Tiger. U says umbrella. V says violin. G says whale. H says black in ox. Y says yolk. Zebra. Z says zebra. Thanks for watching Cartoon Vibe USA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye.